Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here. It's come up in the ESP section. It has triggered other faults as well there, but what we're looking at is the C07330. Now this, you will also get this fault code as you can see on the screen. So that is to do with the auxiliary. Some cars in this model A-Class Coupe, you've got various different places that it'll be. I know some of them got it in here, some are behind here, so you'll have to remove this from the passenger compartment and go in. Whereas this specific model is a 2014 model, has it here. So in the boot, on the driver section, it's two clips. They come off. That's your auxiliary battery there. It's not the biggest thing in the world. It's quite small and easy to get to. Nothing hard. But that warning is to do with that, and this just slides really more than anything. But yeah, that's where to find it. Once you've changed it, you don't need to code it in or anything. It'll just be a kind of just change it and replace, really. Nothing needed from a diagnostic point of view.